I am Mark Cesar M. Laluan, and I am from your section, P7. So I'm here to talk about mechanical engineer. Why did I pick mechanical engineer? Because my father was a civil engineer, and I want to become like pa iba, sir. Gusto kong maging engineer, pero hindi katulad ng sa kanya na civil. But I did pick the same path like engineer, but different course. So mechanical po yung pinili ko. Then I just want to explain about how clip fans are more convenient than the bigger fans. So clip fans are more stabilized and more convenient than other fans because clip fans are more usable. Like if sa taas ka man natutulog or double deck man yung kama mo, this is more convenient kesa naman dito akyat-akyat mo pa, di ba sir? Kaya kayo bumili na kayo ng clip fan. Kaya clip fan is more convenient than other big fans, and clip fans are invented noong 19th century, sir. Then ang gumawa nito ay isang mechanical engineer din na si Philip H. Diel, was a German mechanical engineer. And that's all. Thank you, sir.